Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Kwgt installed. Now place a widget and open the editor. First, long press your home screen and choose a Kwgt size that fits the area you want. Once added, tap the new widget to launch the Kwgt editor. This is where you start building. Make sure you pick a preset slot or create a new one, because that determines whether you edit an existing design or begin from scratch. You'll now assemble elements, add text modules for labels, image for icons, and shape for backgrounds. Use overlap groups to layer items precisely, and assign globals for colors, fonts, or numeric values so updates apply everywhere. Set each module's size, alignment, padding, and z-index to control stacking. Once done, tweak visibility or formulas so elements hide or show under conditions. This makes the widget dynamic and adaptable to different screen sizes. Save your preset and apply it to the home screen widget, then resize via your launcher so the layout matches your grid. Test touch actions and refresh behavior. Watch for heavy formulas that spike CPU or battery and simplify if needed. If the widget fails to update or shows blank, try clearing Kwgt cache, reselecting the preset, or toggling permissions. This often fixes update or rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.